Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Binance US crypto exchange, secure access step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Binance US, www.binance.us. Press enter to navigate to the website. Once the home page loads, locate the login button on the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. Ensure that your password is secure and meets the platform's requirements. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. After entering your email and password, review the CAPTCHA challenge if prompted. Complete the CAPTCHA to verify you are not a robot. Once done, click the login button at the bottom of the page. If your login details are correct, you will be redirected to your Binance US account dashboard. For added security, enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. To do this, go to your account settings after logging in. Follow the prompts to set up your chosen two-factor authentication method. This will enhance the security of your account against unauthorized access. If you encounter any issues, review the information you entered for accuracy. You can also check your internet connection and try again. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard features. This ensures you can navigate effectively for trading and account management. You have now successfully logged into your Binance US crypto exchange account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.